Whispers of winter and sunset. As the sun dips low in a fairy glow, a group of youths in laughter grow. Their voices light like a soft winter breeze, whisper of joy among the bare trees. The sky paints hues of orange and gold, a sight more precious than stories told. The air is crisp with a gentle sigh as the world slows down beneath the sky. By the water's edge, a fisherman stands with weather hands and calm demands. His boat drifts still, a shadow on the tide, the quiet rhythm of his world, his guide. The water, shimmering, reflects the light, ripples dancing in the fading night. The peaceful calm, so deep, so clear, the beauty of the moment drawing near. And here I stand, amidst the scene, feeling the stillness, soft and serene. As the youths laugh, the fishers dream, and the sunset whispers a timeless gleam. Together, we share this fleeting grace in the heart of nature, a sacred space where time stands still and all is right beneath the colors of the waning light. Signing off here, Dipankar.